Hello there. In this video we will discuss the relationship between pointers and constants. As we know that suppose if I declare constant int a equal to say 100 and then I do display the value of a okay. So when I do that, if I compile this program, and run this code, it's a normal output wherein I get a equal to 100. Now if I try to modify a to the next value, when I say a equals a plus plus and recompile the code, if you can see, a is not being allowed to modify because a is now converted into a read-only variable. So suppose now if I take out a pointer, which is a pointer to an integer, which I will point to this constant integer. So as we know that if I now want to display the dereferenced value of b, I do b equals star of b. So when I do this, recompile the program, okay, it says initialization discards constant qualifier from the target pointer, okay, because now I am trying to point to end of a. So what it has done is it has by default discarded the constant qualifier, which means now I am pointing an integer pointer to a constant. So let us see what happens there if we ignore the warning. So I am able to, even if when I ignore the warning, I am able to display the value of a. So now what I will do is since I have the address of a, I will try and modify the value of b to be 900, which is nothing but the address of a, and a is a constant. So when I try to do that, it ignores, if we ignore the warning and do the a dot out, I get the segmentation fault. Because we ignored the warning, it was okay, the read only is always safe, but if you try and modify the constant by using a pointer, then we will have a problem. So which clearly means that the property of a constant variable is protected even if you are planning to modify it through indirect usage of pointers. Alright, thank you. Rest in the next videos.